Welcome to the channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you an item I bought yesterday. And here we have it, the Propagator Set 4-pack. And before we get into the further details on this one, I will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have it, the Propagator Set 4-pack made by Parkside. And I have no idea what the quality on this specific brand is, but I guess it is a decent quality. Not the best, but decent. And the best thing with this kit is it is reusable. So, the size of this is 36 by 12 by 22 centimeters. And you can plant in one tray 24 plants. So, that's good. And I have 4 of them, 4 trays and 4 covers. All I need to get is some soil and begin my gardening. And hone my gardening skills. And it's for seeds, seedlings, and plant cuttings. So, as a starter kit, it will work just fine for me. So, thanks guys for stopping by, and thanks for watching and your support. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.